Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can fix the BlueStacks application on your PC showing you are offline errors. Let's begin. First, I want you to make sure that your internet connection is stable, check your modem, your Wi-Fi, everything. If it's good to go, then I want you to click over here. Click on your Windows Start menu, type for proxy settings, all right? So this will be the same for Windows 10 or 11. Scroll down until you see this section manual proxy setup. For some reason, if it's currently turned on, that's actually the problem. I want you to go ahead, turn this off or disable this option and make sure to hit save over here. All right. So you're done with this part. Close. Go to your Windows Start menu again. Look for firewall and you need to look for firewall and network protection. Click on that. Here, just locate restore firewalls to default. All right, it should be at the bottom section. Click on it. You will open up a new file explorer. Click on restore to defaults. Click on yes. Once done, you can now close everything. From here, go ahead, reboot or restart your PC. Once you're back on your screen, click on BlueStacks and everything should now work smoothly as ever. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.